Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Guys, today is Friday, last day. Dito naman tayo naglalakad papuntang bus stop. Wow. Mayong umaga sa inyong lahat yan. Kumusta na kayo? Alright. Okay. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Wow. Bye.